Hello everyone, let's have a quick look at the new and improved editor we've recently released here at Dip. We'll start by uploading a simple layered PSD file. This one in particular only has 5 layers: the logo, the product, a headline with a subhead, and a background image. Once we upload to our platform, we have to map the PSD layers as elements, so the platform knows the purpose of each element. Now, once done mapping, we can see our layout is displaying the wrong fonts. For all styling changes, we simply go to the Content tab to fix this. Here, we'll set headline to headline and our description to subhead. Now, back to the Composition tab where all composition changes are made. All canvas sizes are organized by proportion. The reason being is that sizes with similar proportions will share similar compositions. This makes it easier to work on multiple sizes at once. So we'll go up here and show all available sizes to see all of the available sizes. Let's resize this key visual into a bunch of different proportions. We'll start by resizing into sizes similar to our original key visual. And this is as easy as simply making all the desired sizes visible. So for sizes similar in proportion, this is very easy. Now let's look at how we'd resize the same key visual into different proportions. In this square group, we'll enable one size to be the guide for all additional sizes. In other words, we set the composition on the first enable size, and all subsequent sizes will follow this same composition. We'll first make the background the same size as the canvas and adjust the content. We'll double-click to separate the content from the element box and move the content inside the box. Oops, okay, let's undo. Okay, here we go. Now, naturally, make the logo bigger, make the product image bigger. And set the content to fit. We'll select the product image, headline, and description and align center with the logo. Now, the resizing is as simple as enabling any and all additional sizes. You'll notice the content hasn't been synced to the first composition. To sync, we'll select all of the backgrounds together by clicking on this button, Select Matching Layers. Oops, looks like we forgot to adjust one of the backgrounds. Let's deselect. Because it's not exactly the same proportion as the other squares, we'll need to adjust this one to be 300 by 250. Okay, let's try this again. Select all backgrounds and double-click on the background layer of the first composition. This will allow us to move the content independently from the box. As soon as we move the content by a single pixel, all others will sync and follow suit. Nice, and done. Let's try another proportion. Again, we'll start by selecting a size and setting it as the composition guide for all subsequent sizes. So we'll turn off Select Similar Layers toggle and adjust the background size to match the canvas size. Then we'll adjust the content and move this young lady to occupy the bottom half of the canvas. Then we adjust the logo, the product image, and the copy. Make these a bit wider and make the same width. We'll then select everything and align center. Okay, this is looking decent, so I can start enabling all other sizes. Again, because all other sizes are not exactly the same proportion as the first one, we'll need to make some adjustments. Allow me to spare you and fast forward through this portion. Okay, select all similar elements and sync the content together. Nice. And that's it. And now I can go to the Content tab to make styling changes as need be. Remember, layout definition is a combination of composition and content. So here I will make the text a bit larger on some of these canvases to make my final adjustments. We'll fast forward through this part as well, and here we go. This is looking pretty good. Let's review everything before we download. And everything seems good to me. Okay. Let's give each file a unique name. We will simply append a canvas size to each file and download our final visuals. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. If you have additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. See you soon.